Hello everyone. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of demographic landscape. Armed with the age-wise data, we aim to unravel pattern using spatial analysis. Our objective is to create an informative and visually engaging representation of age distribution. To achieve our goal, we will leveraging two fundamental concepts: grid creation and quantitative styling. The grid will help us organize the data spatially, while quantitative styling will enable us to emphasize variations in age groups. Through this, we can effectively communicate the distribution of age groups. Before we dive into the process, let's take a quick look at the anticipated outcome. Picture an interactive map where you can instantly grab the age distribution in three broader categories: 0 to 20, 21 to 40, and 40 plus. This visualization not only displays geographic spread but also provides insight into the demographic. The analysis of age distribution holds crucial implications for various industries and domains. In real estate development, healthcare sectors, social service and government agencies. Overall, the age distribution analysis proves invaluable for creating useful solutions across diverse sectors. As we embark on the journey, unravel the age distribution, let's dive into the process and start by collecting the relevant demographic data. Step 1. Begin by uploading age-wise data in CSV format. Ensure your data contains the necessary column for location and age groups. Click on the Add Upload button, then click Upload Excel or CSV file. Now upload your data. Select the proper field. Now step 2. Develop a grid to segment manageable spatial units. This will serve as a foundation for organizing and visualizing your data. Click on the Process Data option, then click Create Grid. You can see Create Grid tool successfully opened on the right side of your screen. Here you have to select the layer, click on Next, Range, and click on the Submit button. Step 3. Apply the quantity styling to grid based on age groups. Click on the Style Data option, then choose Quantity Styling. Select the layer, Attribute, and click on the Save Style button. Now the final step. Showcase the style map, allowing viewer to explore and analyze age distribution seamlessly. In conclusion, this spatial analysis has empowered us to transform raw age-wise data into a visually compelling representation. This map not only reflects geographic variation but also highlights the concentration of different age groups. Thank you for watching this video. For more queries, write us at support@mapog.com.